This is Sway.
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 In the morning.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Shake that body.
Wake your fuck ass up. That crust out your eyes.
This is your yacht?
That's right. I'm the owner. The captain. El Capitan.
That was Rosalind Sanchez, Chris Tucker, Rush Hour 2.
Yes.
What a hilarious film that was. What was it like working with Chris?
Awesome. He's really cool. It's interesting because everybody asks me, is he very funny? You know, Chris is very quiet.
Yeah.
Chris is very quiet and very much into the work, and you think that he'll be like super over the top and just like on all the time, you know, like a comedian. And no, he's actually very chill.
Is it any other actor or actress that you've met that just kind of surprised you to who they were in person, opposed to what you've seen them do on the screen?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. No, I think everybody was pretty much
What you expected?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so. I think so. I haven't been shocked with anybody going, "Oh my God, that person was whacked." No, I don't think so.
You've been starstruck by someone you work with?
All the time, you know. Even with Rush Hour 2, you know, it was my first big movie, so I couldn't believe I got it. You know, every Latina wanted that role, and it was such a blessing for me. And when I met Chris and Jackie Chan, you know, and he's like, Jackie Chan. I remember Jackie Chan's not like a baby, not that I was that young. But he was interesting because Jackie, he's so sweet, but Jackie's like going to military school. He has his entourage of all the kids that do all the stunts with him, right? And everything is choreographed. And those, it's like it's like Russia, you know?
Yeah.
They're super strict and they don't talk to anybody. Even his assistant is not allowed to really even wear makeup, you know? Everything is we're here to work. And I was like, you can chill, you know? Let's do
We can
have a little laugh. And everything was very professional, you know? But he's really nice.
He's really nice. Did you understand a word he said?
I don't think we understood each other.
Okay. All right.
I'm pretty sure he had the same problem with me.
Rosalind, you were talking about, you know, working with Jackie Chan and working with Chris, and I'm thinking about Devious Maids and how Mark Cherry associated himself with it, and then Eva. And to me, when I've just seen the promo pics, I see an entire Latina cast, and I thought this probably could not have gotten done if Eva and Mark was associated with done like the way it's being done now and promoted.
Probably
if those
not.
two names weren't associated with the project. Do you find that happening a lot in Hollywood? You need the big names associated with television shows now to get done?
100%. Listen, if I try to produce, right? If I would have taken that format from, it's a very famous Mexican soap opera, right? That was the idea. If me, Rosalind Sanchez, would have gone to ABC or NBC or whatever network and pitched, I have this amazing idea. I just got the rights to this Mexican soap opera that is a proven format, that it works. No, I was not going to sell it. I'm almost positive.
Wow.
Almost positive. Yeah, because so I think it makes a lot of sense that, we have like Mark Cherry, when it comes to TV, he's like God. You know, he had a very successful run with Desperate Housewives. And then you have Eva saying, I vouch for this, you know, and I'm going to put my name. And I want to executive produce. And Eva has become such an incredible pioneer, you know, in the business and for Latinos.
Right.
That, I think it was a non-brainer. And still, ABC passed.
Damn, they still passed.
Oh, yeah.
Wasn't Desperate Housewives on ABC?
Yeah.
Really?
Wow, that's crazy.
That's how difficult this is. And then Lifetime realized, because they're freaking crazy. They have no idea what.
I have a question. Because we have a lot of black actresses and actors on the show, and they always talk about how in Hollywood they feel just stifled by roles, typecasted, like there isn't a lot out there. How is it for Latinos in the acting game?
You know, I think things are changing. You know, we have people doing so well with Eva, Mendes, Longoria, Michelle, J-Lo, Salma. You know, so things
Lopez.
are definitely Lopez. Exactly, Jennifer.
Yeah.
Things are.
I was talking George.
You were talking about?
George Lopez, but Jennifer Lopez.
Oh, okay. I was talking George.
Puerto Rico, power. All right, go ahead. Go for yours.
Anyways, so it is. Listen, it's limited. You know, it's not like there's 100,000 roles for like the Latina with the accent. You know, so I do, and I've been really blessed to work since I moved to the States. But it's a battle, you know. I have to pick and go like, what's out there for me? I have an accent, and this is the way I speak, so it's very limited what I can do.
Right.
And we make fun of not make fun. We have a laugh with Devious Mates because we're used to competing with each other. I mean, Anna, Judy, all the cast members. I test against Dania all the time.
Right.
You know, so we're like colleagues. Like we'll go to auditions all the time. Hey, how are you? What's up? Good luck. you know, and then you're like,
I hope I get
Who got
it.
Good luck, puta.
Damn, Sway.
don't never
No.
say
It's
that.
not like that. Okay, Chris
No,
from New York.
It's not.
It's Sway in the morning, only on Shade 45.